sit over there, please? Okay. Anyone have a car?
Ay, ay, ay. Hopefully we don't get too wet.
Oh, I get two seats for myself? That's what I'm talking about. Sorry. I should have brought a towel.
Yeah, we can buy one.
But this is a dryer thing. Just gotta dry this with my insurance. That's why I'm glad I got two of them. Did you freeze my day?
See how old these are? They're cute.
Dude, this one.
Yeah, I saw your thing here, but
I see my shit.
like, you know, it's bad.
This guy, he just ate his booger, that guy.
Oh, we're gonna go real high here.
We're gonna go solo.
Oh wait, no, it just goes slower.
Yeah.
This is cool.
I just like long rides like this.
I haven't been on it.
It's your only ride. Yeah, it has to be your favorite.
This and the Skyline, which one's better? Let's find out. Skyline. Really? Yeah. Oh, that's it.
This one's an actual ride.
Am I allowed to touch water?
Why not? I think it's so.
No, you cannot stick your hand out. Really?
Is this okay? Do I put my foot up here? It says, damn, I can't fit.
That's why that metal is. It's not the ride all the time. This ride can't do it.
Yeah, that's why I'm scared of sitting here. It's gonna crush me to hit it. Well, it's not true.
I do, bro.
You gonna let me sit next to you?
No, I'm trying to get I want more room. I need this bitch on here.
Bro, it's too late.
We're already gone.
I'll stand.
No, not thoughtful.
Uh-oh, yeah! Woo! Oh, stop.
Okay, I'm playing this myself.
See, you're gonna get wet first.
No, I am.
No, Dad.
Yesterday,
No,
karma.
I'm not fair. I know my phone on my face all the time.
Oh,
That was fair. Well, yeah. That's a little.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
no, I'm getting it.
Que de la vuelta, que de la vuelta, que de la vuelta, que de la vuelta, yay! Ajá. No, 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 no.
Nathan was lying.
No, 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 no. Ah. Turn. Oh, you can't turn, you turn.
I know.
Yay.
One side.
Yeah, this thing.
Wait, one side is dry, the other one is soaked.
That's why you put your fucking feet up. That's why. Well, shit, too late.
I'm gonna have the waterfall.
Que de la vuelta.
I'm gonna get a rash when it's cool.
I already have one. Wait, y'all can't go on long after this?
Yeah. Honestly, he's kind of valid for that.
I'm gonna look it up while we're there.
Whew. There you go.
But yeah, whenever it's busy, those barrels move and it spins the raft to get bumps into it.
No, 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 no.
Oh wow.
Well, you can't turn it.
Did it get red? What do you mean?
I said if I got wet, I can turn
Yay!
it. One of those boxes says keep dry on it.
That's crazy.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, no. Ay, ay, ay. Queda una, queda una, queda una, queda una. No, no, no. No.
Just don't go let me.
Ay, ay, ay. Oh, that was horrible. That was horrible.
I was the best right here. Best right here. Can we not do this again? I want to do
I'm still pretty dry though. So.
both sides.
I'll do it again.
I got so wet.
Some more stuff.
Yes, you're the one,
You won't wear a third cut. I found it's like a triforce.
Where did you get that from?
I don't know.
It's existing.
One sounds right, the other one's
I think our things are safe.
I'm only at 7 right now. Let's get to 15.
There's that drying thing right there.
Watch them stuff. I've never seen a video game with like
No. Boom. Yay. I got wet.
I like slow rides though.
That's it? Before traffic hits? Before traffic hits?
This was chill.
Damn, man. You're a dangerous person.
I want to go to Cheetah Hunt.
That was winning.